Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change account name on eBay. If you're using eBay and need to update your account name, whether it's correcting a mistake, updating your real name, or making your account more professional, it's important to know exactly where to go. Your account name is tied to your identity on the platform, and keeping it accurate helps avoid issues with payments, shipping, and verification. The process is simple, but many users get lost in the settings or edit the wrong section. Start by going to eBay and logging into your account. Look at the top left corner and click on your profile icon or name. This opens your account menu. From the drop-down, click on Account Settings. This is where all your personal and account details are managed. Inside Account Settings, click on Personal Information. This section contains your name, contact details, and other personal data. Scroll down until you see the Personal Info section. Here, you'll find your current name details. Next to your name, click on Edit. This will allow you to modify your account name. Now update your details such as your first name, last name, and middle name too, but that's optional. Clarification. Make sure your name is accurate and matches your official documents if needed. This helps avoid issues with payments or account verification. Once you've entered your new name, click Save. Your account name will now be updated. Using eBay with correct personal information ensures a smoother and more secure experience. To summarize, changing your account name on eBay involves going to your profile, opening account settings, navigating to personal information, editing your name, and saving the changes. This ensures your account details stay accurate and up to date. And that's how to change your account name on eBay. It's a quick update, but it can make a big difference in how your account functions and how others see you on the platform. Keeping your details accurate isn't just about appearance, it helps prevent issues with orders, payments, and verification down the line. As you continue using eBay, make it a habit to review and update your account information when needed. Small steps like this keep everything running smoothly. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.